So I'm going to go to an agent login and quickly show you what happens when an agent logs in. So Alex is currently logged into QEval. He's able to see that he has 16 coaching pendings and 2 pending evaluation to review. Alex is also able to see how many evaluations have been reviewed for him, how many evaluations have he reviewed out of those. And when he clicks on a specific scorecard, he's able to see an aggregate view of his performance. When Alex clicks on any one of those, QEval will automatically surface up specific calls that have those opportunity. For an example, Alex wasn't really providing a save attempt here. When he clicked on it, QEval gave him a call where save attempt can be an opportunity, and Alex can now go ahead and listen to that conversation to understand what happened. You're able to see the entire conversation right up top.